Hey guys, this is Anthony, and this is my second video today. And I never reviewed this fan either. We got these both at the same time. Go check out my last video if you want to see the other one. And the fan is this one. A Holmes 20-inch black box fan. I didn't know they made ones like these. I thought they just made the one with the cyclone-ish grill. And if it was black, I didn't know that. So here's the side. Here's the back. Boombox cord, your feet. The other side. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if there's a startup noise. I don't even know because I barely even used this fan yet. So let's go. Not really. Which isn't that surprising. Knowing that it's a $20 box fan. Anyways, here's low. Here's medium. And here is high. I'm almost done, Dad. And there's pretty okay breeze on high. So there's the second fan we got.
Will he give us the code to unlock the disc?
There's your spin down time.
She can only stay on the ground 10 minutes, so we are extremely
And done. So yeah. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and if you want to see more of these, subscribe.